Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. So a very volatile expiry in the market. You see, market move first of all opening somewhere below 41,000, then straight up recovering, then going down with a lot of strength, then going up with a lot of strength, and then going down in the end again. Now Nifty was kind of again Nifty was also very volatile if you see. So yeah, but I am ending with the highest ever profits, highest ever single day profits ending with 2.6% profit on my total capital. Yes, sir. It was a good day for me. I had to be very agile and fast in changing my views. So as soon as we crossed 40,670 on the upside, I closed my. So what I did first of all was I'm gonna go through my positions very fast. What exactly I did throughout the day. So first of all, in this first candle, if you see, we went above 41,000, right? So I was like, okay, until unless we are above 41,000, I'm gonna 40,900. I'm gonna have a non-directional view in the market for today. So what I did was I created an iron condor of 41,000. I think it was 400 or something, and 40,500. Oh, 41,600 and 40,500 on the downside. I held that until unless we broke 40,900 in this candle, and I just squared off my 40,500 P and just started shorting call options aggressively, right? And after that, we got a very good down move on the downside. Now it was all good, and yeah, I was ready for any pullbacks and stuff if there were any pullbacks, small pullbacks. But if we see, there was such a big short covering over here, right? And this was because somehow US futures started shooting up, if you see, right? At the same time, US futures started shooting up, so we saw a very good short covering in the market. So what I had to do over here was change my view very fast, right? So I was like, once we cross 40,006 high, the high of this candle is 40,665. Once we cross this, I'll close my I'll close my CE position and turn to PE side, okay? And I did that. As soon as we crossed this, I closed my 41,000 C on the upside and started shorting 40,400 P, right? And as we crossed 40,800, I also started shorting 40,500 P. Now, that position actually kind of gave me some pain till the end, right? It held on to my nerves. I mean, it was, like it was giving me kind of some sort of anxiety, right, till the end. Because if you see from where I entered, market didn't go up that much, and then we kind of started reversing over here. Although it was completely fine, I wasn't like, but yeah, again, it wasn't like a very stress-free expiry today, right? But yeah, I'm ending with highest profits ever, so it's all right, really. It just takes a little bit of sleep, and then you're, back to your normal vibe again. But yeah, what can we expect for tomorrow is that, see, first of all, Bank Nifty, again, if you see, that's a double top pattern in Bank Nifty, if you see, right? 40,500, I said, was very, very important. We shouldn't close below that. Now we haven't closed below 40,500, but even today's closing is not that great, yeah. If we would have closed somewhere near 40, say in this down move, we would have just consolidated over here for the day and closed somewhere of 40,400 or 500, then it would have been very bearish, right? But we moved up, right? This was a chance for bulls to take over, right? Bulls could have taken over here and took the market up from here, right? At least if they would have even closed near 40,800, 900 at these higher levels, it would have been good. But in the end, if you see, the bears again took over the market, right? And that brought down the market to 40,600. That means this was just a pullback in the kind of a little bit bigger scheme of things, right? So this was just a pullback. So it is very important. Tomorrow will be a very, very important day. 40,400 should not be broken at all. 40,400 will be the last resort for bulls, because after that, if we break 40,400, then we can expect lower levels like 39,500, 39, maybe even 39,000 to come for the next week, right? So 40,400 should not be broken, because then this M pattern will be completed, and then we will be able to see a very, very good sell-off coming in the market till 39,500, or maybe even 39,000 level, but somewhere near somewhere below 40,000. But that is something that we'll talk about in the weekly analysis videos. So do check out the video over there. Or what can you do for tomorrow is also very simple. See, first of all, this is going to be a volatility zone, so right. So if we go above 41,000, only then I will trade. Or if we go below today's low, that is 40,365. Once we go below 40,365, or once we go below 40,450, right? 40,450, you guys can start adding positions. Your target then becomes this low, if you see over here, which is at 40,280 on the downside. Above that, you can expect a lot of volatility in the market tomorrow. So I won't be interested in trading until unless we go above 41,000 or below 41,000, or below 40,450, which is the low of this candle. Because if we break the low, because you see these big green candles, right? The low of these candles will act as a support for the market, and these big red candles, the high of these candles will act as a resistance for the market, right? So this is very important. The low of these candles should not be broken, or else there are a lot of people who would have created long positions over here, they'll start squaring off their positions, right? So it's important for the market to not break these candles lows. But as of now, we are expected to open with a gap down, but let's see how things go tomorrow, right? Um, so yeah, as I said, tomorrow could be very volatile. So I may even just skip trading for tomorrow. Nifty, however, looks a bit better, a bit more clearer chart. There is Nifty again taking resistance from yesterday's closing price. If you see over here, 17,720. So above 17,720, as soon as we start breaking 17,720, then your first target can easily become 17,790 to 795 on the upside. On the downside, again, 17,534 becomes very important. As soon as we break 17,534, you guys can aim for 17,460, 17,480 on the downside. Yeah, guys, I'm expecting a very, very good momentum to come if we break 17,520, 530 and sustain below it for some time. For say 2 to 3 candles, then we can expect a very, very good sell off coming in the market tomorrow. Um, so yeah, guys, if we open with a very big, what happens if we open with a very big gap down? Again, if we open with a very big gap down, I'm expecting the bearishness to continue. If we open with a gap up, I'm expecting consolidation or at least volatility, right? But how big of a gap up is very important, because if we open somewhere near over here, 17,800, then I'm expecting a bullish day, right? But if we open somewhere near 17,685, 700, all these levels, then I'm expecting consolidation, right? In Bank Nifty, again, as I said, 41,200 again becomes a very important level. This range becomes a very important range. Above this range is only when I'm expecting bullishness to coming in the market, to come in the market. So yeah, below that, I'm expecting a lot of volatility to continue. So yeah, guys, I hope you like my analysis. Do check out my Telegram channel also. I share all of my trades over there. Today also I shared all of my expiry trades in real time, so that you guys can also take trades with me. And yeah, guys, I'll see you tomorrow in tomorrow's video. Thank you for watching till the end.